Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we're going to be using the Glamlite Cake Palette. So if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So I've already applied some concealer on my eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with this color Cranberry, and I'm going to start by really pressing it into the crease area as well as the outer corner so that it can stick to the concealer. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit of product at a time, and then I'm going to build up this shade. So as you can see here, I am still just layering this shade so that I can make it a little bit more vibrant. And I'm really keeping this in the crease area. You don't want to take it too high because we're going to blend this out. And I just want to keep it as close to my eyelid and crease as I can. Next, I'll be taking the shade called Boob. I think that's how you say it, so forgive me if I am wrong. And I'm going to take it on this small blending brush, and I'm going to start to buff out the Cranberry shade. Now, with small circular motions, I like to take a little bit at a time and then just buff it upwards. You really want to use a soft hand so that we can get the edge as smooth as we can. So taking a little bit more product and then just blending it upwards until it's as soft as I can get it. So here I'm going to take some more of the Cranberry shade and just apply a little bit more on the crease area just so that we can deepen it up, since we lost a little bit of intensity when we were blending out, but I really like to layer the colors so that they're a little bit more vibrant. So here I'm going to repeat step 2, just add a little bit of that shade Boob. And then here I will be taking a clean blending brush to smooth this out and get it as soft as I can before we move on to the cut crease. So here I'm taking some concealer on a small e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm going to apply the majority of this on my lid first, like so. And then what I like to do is I like to look up just slightly so that it can draw a crease over parallel to my natural crease line, and that's where I'm going to carve out today to be my cut crease. I don't want to take it too high, but I'm going to clean this off camera, and then we're going to go on to the eyeshadow. So the first shade I'm going to apply is called Guava, and this is going to go on the first third of the lid. Next, I will be applying the shade called Lavender right next to that one. This is a very sheer shade, so you might need to use your finger, or you can also spray your brush to get a better color payoff, but it is so pretty. Next, I will clean up this edge with the Cranberry shade that we used in the beginning. And then I'll also be using that on the lower lash line. And just slightly blending it out with the shade Boob. So for mascara today, I'll be using this one by Laura Mercier, and then I'll be applying some false eyelashes, which I'm sorry, I do not know who these are from. Lastly, I'll be taking this neon eyeliner pencil by LA Girl Cosmetics in the shade Vivid. Now to highlight, I'm going to be using the shade called Believer from the Unicorn Party palette, and I'm just going to apply that where I would highlight any areas. So this is the final look. I think this is super pretty, super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.